Hello friends, through this video we will come to know how to move a file from one folder to another. So I have got a folder created in my F drive, and this is my F drive. I'll try to move this file to this temp folder. So we write a small code to move the file. That's import SHUTIL shuttle. So that's the module that we'll use. We'll use the variable wherein we define the destination source. So this is my source. So I need to move this file, hence this is my source. So I'm copying the path from here. Copying the path from here. Destination equals to F drive and then the temp. So this is the destination. Then we use shuttle.copy and source comma destination. So this is it. Let's see. Let me copy this one. So hence it shows that the file has been moved to the temp file. So let's see. So here it is. So using a small code we can move the source file to the destination folder. So this is it for this video. Hope it's helpful to you. Thank you.